Okay guys, it is Tuesday morning. Yesterday was a holiday, so we weren't here. So we're getting on about a little bit today. I'm working on a few other parts for the 71 Cuda. Friday we got the kit for the heater box, and took the heater box apart to reseal it, do all the seals, and there was a bunch of holes in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix the holes. I'm going to literally refiberglass most of it. This way it's all nice and solid and it'll be ready to go. In the meantime, we'll get some patches on here. We're working on getting the rest of the welding done. I mean, that's kind of what we just basically welded it and it started to rust a little bit. So now we're doing the final welds, cleaning it up, and then we'll figure out what the next step is. Stay tuned and watch this. This is gonna be fun. I love doing this stuff. Okay, been punching along on this car right here. Let me turn it around. So all stitch welding. So that's what it looks like right now. That's what it looked like. So now we're going to do a little more welding and a little more grinding. Stay tuned. All right. Okay. We showed you the before. It's the other side now, but we showed you the before. And that's the way it should be. Little bit of body filler, very thin coat, and it's going to be good. We started to cut out the really bad spot. That's what it will look like. So we cut that out, remove the trim ring for the front vent, and now we're going to put a new piece in there, clean up the firewall, doing more finishing up these welds, like all in here, all in there. So once we get all that welded, we'll be good to... All right guys, like and subscribe, and we'll keep you updated.